Hi kids, welcome back. This is your math lesson and today we're gonna try to count together from 1 to 10 and we're gonna show our fingers, like if I say 1 you show 1 and so on. So we're gonna try to count up to 10. Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Now I'm going to show you the numbers so you can see what they look like, okay? Give me 1 second. Okay, this is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job, you did it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you a video about shapes. Okay, hope you like it. Hold on. Okay, this video is about shapes. It's the shape song.
Draw a circle in the air. Draw a triangle in the air. I see shapes. I see shapes, shapes, shapes. Everywhere I go, I see lots of shapes. Know what I am? Say my name if you can. I have 4 sides, they're all the same. If you know my name, you're good at this game. What am I? You're a square. Do you know what I am? Say my name if you can. I have 4 sides, like a square, but 2 sides are shorter, and I don't care. What am I? You're a rectangle. Draw a square in the air. Draw a rectangle in the air. I see shapes. I see shapes, shapes, shapes. Everywhere I go, I see lots of shapes. Circle, circle. Triangle, triangle. Square, square. Rectangle.
so that was the shape song. And now we're going to go over the shapes, okay? Do you remember what this was? That's a circle. And in the song they said you can draw in the air or trace a circle like this. See it? Circle. And this is a triangle. And you can trace it or draw it in the air this way. And then we have a, what is this? It's a square. And you can trace it in the air this way as well. And here we have the tricky one. This is a triangle. And this is how we trace a triangle. It has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Okay? So we're going to say them or repeat after me. What is that? Oh. What is that? Circle. What is this? Triangle. What is this? Square. What is this? Rectangle. Good job. Today I want to focus on yesterday we talked about the circle. You remember? We saw the circle and all the things that look like are in the shape of a circle. All the things that could be in our house or around us. And so we focused about the circle yesterday, and today I want to focus or talk about the triangle. There's a lot of things around us in our house, outside, in the store that are shaped in a triangle. I want to show you a picture of a couple things that are shaped like a triangle. Okay, there's this kind of signs out in the roadway. I don't know if you've seen them. It's called a yield sign, and it looks like this. That's a triangle. It's an upside down triangle. So let me turn it around so you can see it good or better. See, it's a triangle. And then over here we have like half a sandwich. And then if you see it this way, you can see a triangle. And then this, it's a game that a lot of adults play it, but you see the balls inside, but we're looking at the triangle. This is like a piece of wood that you can put on a table, and then all the balls fit inside. Okay? Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and we will see you tomorrow with another math lesson. Bye-bye!